Hello, I am John Johnson for the Bullen Companies. Did you know it is National Cleaning Week? It is running from Sunday, March 27th to Saturday, April 2nd, 2023. National Cleaning Week is an annual event started 4 years ago by the ISSA. NCW, or National Cleaning Week, is a reminder of the importance of cleanliness in our daily lives. With better cleaning, we can create a healthier, happier environment. Each day of NCW we are going to feature from the Bullen brands and our list of remarkable products a single item that will help you and your customers find easier ways to clean. Today that product is Clausen Stay Clean. Clausen Stay Clean is outstanding in its ability to remove tenacious soil and is unique in doing so without leaving any sticky dirt holding residue. It more than pays for itself by greatly extending the time between necessary cleaning. It's the sticky residue left by ordinary cleaners that promotes re-soiling. Soil won't stick to Clausen Stay Clean. Stay Clean is faster drying than most water-based carpet cleaner. The components in Clausen Stay Clean make it dry faster. So that means an even faster cleaning this week and in the future.